What are hallucinations and how can they be prevented? Hallucinations are false answers from LLMs. Remember that an LLM is not an intelligent being, but a statistical model trained to predict the most likely next word in a sentence. Remember that the accuracy level of an LLM depends on the quality and quantity of the data with which it has been trained. Foundation LLMs have very high accuracy levels when asked about the subjects on which they have been trained. The main problem with hallucinations is that the LLM states them in a way that seems true. So for us as LLM app developers, the hallucination is a big problem because it is going to affect the quality of our application. So it is very important for us to prepare strategies in order to minimize the probability of hallucination in our applications. We have two main ways to do that, and we will study them further in the program. The first one is regulating what is called the LLM's temperature. So the temperature of LLMs regulates the level of creativity in their answers. For example, ChatGPT's temperature can be regulated between 0 and 10. The higher the temperature, the more creativity and more hallucination. This can be good for having the LLM write a fiction story, for example. The lower the temperature, the less creativity and less hallucination. This is good for having the LLM answer specific questions. So one way we as LLM app developers have to control the probability of hallucinations is to set the temperature of the foundation model. The second way is by refining our prompts. A very effective way is to include examples of correct questions and answers in your prompt so that the LLM knows in advance what it should and should not do. So instead of just asking the LLM what we want from him or from her, we are going to give her a number of examples of correct answers to our questions. So that number of examples is going to help the foundation LLM in order to provide correct responses and not hallucinations. We will see more of that in the program.